Hey there, future research innovators. Ayana here, your friendly guide to the transformative world of clinical trials. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a journey through the heart and soul of Achaibo Clinical, a company that's redefining the landscape of clinical research with a bold vision and unwavering passion. At Achaibo Clinical, our mission is simple yet powerful. Empower the future of clinical research by promoting diversity and inclusion. We believe that a more diverse clinical research workforce leads to more inclusive and effective healthcare solutions. Our vision is to create a global community where minority professionals can thrive, supported by cutting-edge AI technology and a robust, inclusive network. Let me share a bit of our journey. Achaibo Clinical was founded by Tengu Muna, a visionary leader inspired by her father, a dedicated human rights lawyer. He always said, "My daughter, if you build it, they will come." These words fueled Tengu's relentless pursuit to bridge the gap she noticed in 2012. A lack of training and support for minority principal investigators and healthcare professionals in clinical research. In 2018, Tengu launched our first course, primarily targeting immigrants with healthcare backgrounds eager to enter the clinical research field. The courses quickly gained traction, highlighting the critical need for both training and a supportive community. Over time, we continued to develop and introduce several additional courses, each designed to address specific needs within the clinical research field. Today, Achaibo Clinical has grown into a vibrant community of over 1,700 members, continuously expanding our offerings to meet the needs of our diverse participants. What sets Achaibo Clinical apart? It's our unique approach that combines advanced AI technology with a deep commitment to diversity. Our AI-driven training programs provide real-time, personalized learning experiences, ensuring that participants gain practical, real-world skills. This innovative approach empowers professionals to advance their careers and contribute to more inclusive clinical research. Did you know that the clinical trials market is set to grow to $69.3 billion by 2027? With the FDA's new diversity plan emphasizing the inclusion of diverse populations in clinical trials, there's an even greater need for minority professionals. At Achaibo Clinical, we're not just addressing this need, we're leading the charge. Our programs ensure that both professionals and patients from diverse backgrounds are represented, leading to more comprehensive and applicable healthcare solutions. Our impact goes beyond just training. We're building a community where members can connect, share experiences, and grow together. We provide networking opportunities, continuous support, and resources tailored to the unique challenges faced by minority professionals in clinical research. So whether you're an investor looking to support a transformative vision, a healthcare professional seeking to advance your career, or someone passionate about promoting diversity in clinical research, Achaibo Clinical is your platform. Join us in this exciting journey and be part of a movement that's shaping the future of healthcare. Thanks for taking this tour with me. Together, we can make a difference. Explore our courses, connect with our community, and let's empower the future of clinical research, one diverse professional at a time. Visit our website to learn more and get involved. Until next time, keep innovating and stay inspired.